Alright, a little quick pot. Some pieces of chicken frying here. So I'm going to fry this chicken, take them out, and cook them down. Oh, some flour dumpling in my pot. It's boiling over. Yeah, so in this pot we have some flour dumpling. Yeah, this is just dumpling, flour, salt, mix and make. So this is just a little quick pot. Quick pot. So those are my flour dumpling over there. Half my massive pot that's in a boil up on the bone. These chicken fry. So take them out. Put over here, nothing fancy. So what I gotta do, we're gonna cook them now. We don't need the oil no more. So I'm gonna throw off the oil. Cook out the chicken in the pot. Add some water. Add some dry rub. And this chicken is cooking without any skeleton time. Just using dry rub. So the flavor, it's a simple pot. So I put the chicken over here. So take this pot off the fire. You don't need the oil no more. Throw the oil in a container. That is, have to be careful. Alright, so what we're gonna do, clean up that pot quick. Yeah, so we gotta get that pot a little quick clean. And so this is just a little quick video. So if we really long, we just want to make a quick cook. This is how you do it. So you don't want the meat when you cook, then it kind of tastes burn. So that's the reason why I clean up the pot. So this is what I feel like to take. The pot is off. Okay, so that is clean now. Put the pot on the fire. Put back your pieces. Put back your pieces of chicken. Alright. Also, this is a quick video, so just throw the pieces. No fancy thing. Alright. So I'm gonna cook these down. So over here I have some boiling water for quicker cooking process. I'm just gonna put some water. Then I gotta add some garlic powder. So this chicken is just cooking with all dry rub. So this is a different cook. The flavor not gonna high in it like when you use skeleton time. This is my all-purpose seasoning. I'm gonna throw it on this. I want you guys to see what's in this thing. So this is all-purpose seasoning used. So this kind of consists of thyme leaf. So it have thyme, some pepper seed. It have all type of herbs and spices, but they are dry. So we're not gonna use all of this. Just so we want to. The chicken already have flavor, so we just put in this to flavor the gravy. So when the chicken cooked on the gravy, would have a nice flavor. If you don't, just cook on the chicken alone. Yeah, and you would put a little pinch of salt in this. So as I say, this is a little quick cook. So I'm using 100 and 100, so I'm going to put the salt on this. So small amount of salt. And you can see clearly. Small amount of salt. See, not a lot. So you leave this to simmer down. When it simmer down, that's it. And then these dumplings already cooked. And these dumplings is cooked. So this spot now is like when you're up on the work site. You don't have no time for the no fancy cooking, so you just clap up a thing quick and fast. This is how you do it. So you just knead up some flour with salt, make a dough, put them in some water, boiling water with salt, cook. That's it. Flour dumpling done there. And then the chicken now, well, I just kind of fry this. Fry them and just cook them down. And there you have it. So that's a quick little on-site cook. That's how they cook on the construction site in Jamaica, you know. No fancy things. So you just fling some chicken off oil and fry or whatever. So I don't know if this video really gonna make no sense. If you guys will like it. If you don't like it, tell me. What could I do to make it better? But this is just like a construction site cooking. And the side they wouldn't use it on a stove. Yeah, sometimes they get stove, so they would just light up a fire outside and put a pot on. But this is on a stove and it's a quick cook, you know, you don't have no time. You get 12 lunch at 12 or whatever time you get lunchtime, you only have 1 hour. And you gotta use this 1 hour and cook and eat and get some rest. This is the way. You understand me? This is the way. So no fancy thing, no fancy thing. So this chicken is almost ready since I put on the pot, because remember the chicken is fried and could eat like that, but then you want some gravy or sauce to eat this dumpling. So this is the reason why we bring this chicken down to a cook. So this is a rough cooking, construction site cooking I would call it. You know, you get 1 hour for lunch. So you just gotta cook some flour quick and fast. Could be rice, but the flour will longer, so that's why flour. And they could have yam, Irish and these things in it, but this is no time for no fancy things. You just need some flour, put in the pot and fry some chicken quick and fast, cook it down, and that's it. Construction site chicken and dumpling lunch. That's how they do it in Jamaica. Tell me if you see it done other places in the world. I know that's how we do it. So this chicken, 5 minutes more and it's ready. So hope this video was interesting. I try my best. So as I said, this is some flour dumpling and some chicken. Alright, so I could just give you an idea. Alright, so this is a plate. This is a plate. So this is how it would look. So that's 3 dumplings. No matter what shape or style you put them, it's dumpling. And then come over here and you get a piece of chicken. Piece of chicken or 2. Yes, over here, chicken. This piece of chicken. Yeah. And then you get a spoon and put some sauce in that. That done. Get a spoon and you put some gravy. The gravy not really simmer down the right way, but that's lunch. Chicken and dumpling. Yeah, so simple and easy as that. Construction site style. So as usual, I'm out. This is just a quick video. So tell me what you think. If you like it, give it a like. If you don't like it, give it a dislike. Make your comments. Still, I highly appreciate it. I'm out.